Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again, my friends around the world. I have the Toshiba laptop here. The old laptop cannot turn on. Not charging, cannot turn on. No any indicator light on. And I will repairing this laptop. And I will show you what happened and how to fix this. No current of my power supply and cannot turn on. Okay, to repair this laptop, we must open the case to access the motherboard. Okay, this is the motherboard of this laptop. Toshiba Satellite L300. Try to turn on this motherboard using the pin set here. Still not working. Find the CMOS battery and remove this. Try again after the CMOS battery removed. Still not working. Okay, check the voltage from here. 19 volt from the charger. It's good. In line here, no voltage. Okay, this is 19 volt from the charger, and this is diode. Output of this diode is 18.8. This is normal. This is the main Mosfet, and the output of this main Mosfet is 0 volt, no voltage. We have no voltage at the V-in line, 19 volt, no voltage at the V-in line. Oh, shorted to the ground. The V-in line shorted to the ground, usually caused by the broken small SMD capacitor. I hope like this. Remove the processor as usual. Okay, with processor Intel dual core, I think. Oh, very dirty. Remove the processor and check the V-in line. 19 volt V-in line, still shorted, right? Check the Vcc Core. Oh, Vcc Core is not good. think this is not good. This is the Vcc Core, and we have about 5 ohm here. In the normal condition, this is mass no resistance, no ohm without the processor. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, remove this coil for first to separate the Vcc core from other line. Its resistance now is about 17 not good, but maybe with this resistance the laptop's still working, and the inline still soldered to the ground. Okay, let's fix this one by one. Inline for first. Finding the soldered component that connected directly with the inline. We can give the low voltage at the inline, but the first step is removing the main resistor. Removing the main resistor. Main resistor have removed, giving the low voltage 5 volt. The 5 volt and 3 volt of this motherboard is this point, and this point. Okay, let's try to give the low voltage. Oh, sorry. Okay, 4.2 ampere. Again. Very hot. You can see here 4 big SMD capacitor. One of this is very hot. Let's remove this one by one. Checking the capacitor. This is normal. This is normal too. Okay. Two again. This is normal. Normal, 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 normal. Oh, normal apa? Oh, sorry. Okay, wait until the temperature back to the normal condition, and these 4 capacitors in normal condition, and the fan line still shorted. Okay, the 19-volt line here shorted, and here is a Mosfet that connected directly with this line, and the other side of this of this Mosfet is shorted to the ground. I think this is the line that supplying the battery connected with this coil and this resistor, and this the pot of the plus the pot plus of the battery port. Okay, we must separate this line and the fan line. Remove the Mosfet the battery Mosfet, the charging Mosfet. No charging Mosfet, battery Mosfet. To separate the fan line from the battery port. The condition of the battery Mosfet is okay, fine, in the normal condition. Remove the charging Mosfet that connected directly with the 19-volt line. Check again. Fan line not shorted again. The plus pin of the battery port is shorted to the ground. 19-volt line not shorted again, but the charging this is a point in the charging block. This is charging block. Okay, here is the diode. The diode that working as this is the diode that one of the pin of dioda is connected to ground and other side connected to the charging line that's sorted to the ground. Okay, maybe this dioda have broken, because if this dioda broken, sorted, this will make the charging line sorted too. This dioda working as the protection component. Okay, dioda have removed. Check again the charging line. Still sorted to the ground. Still sorted. And the condition of this dioda is okay. In the good condition. Okay. What is the next? The next step is, or maybe the Mosfet. This Mosfet. Okay. Here is one Mosfet again. You know that the charging block, there is two Mosfet, two N-channel Mosfet, working as the switching component to give the voltage that's supplying the battery during the charging process. To remove the component of the old laptop motherboard, we can using the heater blower and the iron solder, because this is difficult to remove. Okay, check again. Here not sorted again. Here not sorted. Mosfet, I think this Mosfet have broken. Let's check it out. Okay, this is sorted between the pin drain and pin source. Okay, brother. This laptop cannot turn on, caused by the broken Mosfet that working as the switching component of the charging block, working together with this Mosfet. This is N-channel Mosfet, so you must replace this. Resolder again all the component that in normal condition. Finally, we must finding the N-channel Mosfet to replace this broken Mosfet, broken N-channel Mosfet. You can get this from other motherboard that not used again. Sorted. See. I'm sorry, we must ensure the condition of this Mosfet that connected directly with the 19 volt line. is not good. Don't worry, I will explain you using the schematic after this, so you will understand what I do here. Maybe you don't understand. This is sorted. So here is two Mosfet have sorted to the ground. Okay. Now in the good condition, I hope. Battery port not sorted again. 19 fourth line. Okay, all good now. Vcc Core. Okay, I think this still working with this condition of the Vcc Core. Okay, wait for a while until the temperature back to the normal. I will prepare here the schematic of this motherboard. The model of this motherboard is 6050821600201. 201. What if we have no schematic of this laptop? This is all laptop, but we can use in Fantech. We can use other similar motherboard. L300, maybe this. Okay, this is the schematic of the satellite L300D, different with our motherboard, but the regulator and the separator block is same. You can see here the condition of our motherboard is sorted at this point. This is the main resistor, this is the main Mosfet. No voltage from here, 19 volt at this point is no voltage, and this is the main resistor, and in this point and this point have sorted to the ground. Okay, and then this is the battery Mosfet in the normal condition, and this is the this is the Mosfet that broken, the charging Mosfet, and this is the diode that we have removed, but in the normal condition. The The MOSFET that broken is this and this. This is shorted, so connecting the 19-volt line from this main resistor to the charging line that connected to the pin plus of the battery port. This MOSFET have shorted between the pin source and drain. Also, this MOSFET have shorted between the pin source and pin drain, pin 1 to pin 8 that connected with pin 7, 6 and 5. So this line, this plus pin of the battery line have shorted to the ground. Okay, because this MOSFET have shorted to, so the 19-volt line also shorted to the ground. Okay, so after we replace this both MOSFET, this motherboard get back to the normal condition. Okay, I hope this is clear. Try to turn on this motherboard. Plug the charger. Okay, turn on the laptop. Okay, you can see this LED indicator now, light on, turn on. Okay, the motherboard now turn on, the cooling fan working well. Turn off again because the heatsink not installed. Cleaning first. This is very dirty. Aduh, ceplok. Bau teh ceplok lur. We need one more. The screw, small screw. Okay, let's turn on again and try to turn off. Working now. with ampere 0. Oh, turn off again. Shut off suddenly. Shut off suddenly. Why? Try again. Maybe this caused by the Vcc Core blinking. Blinking. Okay. Blinking, right? Okay, working well now with current 1.0 ampere. Again, not shut off suddenly. I change the RAM port to other port, the RAM to other port. Try to turn off. Turn off. Okay, shut off. Alright, brother, this is working well now. Resolder the CMOS battery. You must testing this using the screen. Okay, turn on. Let's see what happened with the screen. Okay, working well, I think. You can see here. This is working well. Okay, brother. The laptop have working well now. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.